Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top.
Double wall ovens.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hello, my name's Chef Mark Estey, CEO of the Reno Local Food Group and Lifelong Chef. So the ZLINE and what Andy and the team have done here is absolutely amazing. I think we're finding attainable luxury here because when you get something that says it's the best, it doesn't need to be the most expensive, it needs to operate the best. What ZLINE provides the home cooks is exactly that. You're getting an unbelievable product at a great price and you're all able to kind of perform on it, right? The same way I rely on my professional ranges and our professional equipment. If I turn on the dishwasher, it works and it does it really well and it does it quiet, right? There's so many different configurations and looks you can get out of it. But really that part is the fun part for the designer. But as a professional chef at home, you're getting power, you're getting precision, and you're really getting probably the best products that I've ever seen out there. It's the same way that I get inspired from different dishes. They're inspiring and looking at different configurations and BTU powerage and what does this grate look like and what does that grate look like. I mean, the innovation is probably second to none that I've seen.